The Spanish present progressive. The Spanish present progressive is used to talk about something that is happening at the moment. For example, I am swimming. To form the present progressive, simply conjugate the verb estar and add the present participle of the verb or the gerund. Let's review conjugating estar. Estoy, estás, está, estamos, estáis, están. To form the present participle for AR verbs, simply take the verb stem and add ando. Nadar becomes nadando. Volar becomes volando. I am skiing. Estoy esquiando. They are swimming. Están nadando. They are singing. Están cantando. It is snowing. Está nevando. They are dancing. Están bailando. She is drawing. Está dibujando. She is talking. Está hablando. He is walking. Está caminando. They are playing. Están tocando. To form the present participle of ER and IR verbs, simply take the verb stem and add yendo. Beber becomes bebiendo. Comer becomes comiendo. It is drinking. Está bebiendo. He is running. Está corriendo. We are eating. Estamos comiendo.